welcome to this session. It's a short video just to introduce the new feature which was implemented this month or this week. It is a bit of a big feature, so that's why I thought it would be good to just have a short description of the functionality. The main screen will stay the same, nothing has changed. You can do everything else that you could previously do. So what did happen is we added a planner grid. So to make sure that you're always on the latest version, if you go to the About menu, make sure that the version number says 3.21. This one was released on the 29th of January. This feature is included here is the planner grid view. So let's look at the planner grid view. So what you want to do is you want to select the month that you want to plan. You click on the ellipsis icon there, those three dots, and you click on planner grid. That will open the month view, but just in a columnar format. So you will see the dates for the different services on the left, and then different columns. So the conductor, the type of the service. If it is a special service, it will say it's, in this case, confirmation, and then all the columns that you've selected. The first thing you would want to do is just go and configure the columns. So maybe you want to say, for February, we have the confirmation block selected, but for March, I might want to have the after intercessory prayer block selected. You tick all the boxes that you want. Maybe I want to include the congregation in before service, other things that you might want to include for this month planner. Maybe you want to see the orchestra conductor. You tick the box and you click on save, and that will change your grid based on your selections. So you can go and take things off again if it becomes too much. It will remember your settings, so the next time you come to this sheet, so you will see that the same columns have been applied. Okay, and this grid is editable, so customize. You can change whatever you want. So let's say if I want to choose the conductor for that service, and I want to choose a different conductor for that service, and I want to choose a different conductor for that service. You choose your different conductors. You can choose the organist. You can choose your backup organists. You can also choose your hymns directly on the grid. So let's say we want the choir to sing from the hymn collection 125. I say go, it says to me that's the title. Yes, I want the choir to sing that. And then that will show me number 125 on the grid. If you choose a hymn that has already been chosen, so let's choose, for argument's sake, hymn collection 341, the choir will sing. It will highlight, and it will tell you, because I can see this one is in use in this case, but it will highlight if it has been used in the last whatever interval you've set up on your congregation. So that is basically it. You can also go and change this one now. Let's just clear it. So I want nothing in there rather. Okay, so once you can do your month planner. If you want to see, for example, I want to see when that 284 was used, I can go back to my old music planner. So I click on the service, it opens this tab at the bottom, and then I can go to the music plan, which is the old music plan that we had, and there I could see it was used on the 1st of February. The other thing that you would notice as well, this one works, the music plan works easy because you can drag your before service slots around, whereas in the grid you cannot move. So you can only activate or deactivate the columns. You can still get your altar program, your music program, and your online viewer of that divine service program as well. And that is basically the planner grid. Maybe just to highlight, that was the big change that has been implemented in this version. Maybe I want to just highlight the concordance has also been updated slightly. It include a display language for the topics and the suitability. So maybe you want to, you prefer Portuguese and you want to see the display topics in that language. You can also go and filter your hymns based on that language. So let's say I want English love. It will show me the love. On the view, you'll see it says now adoration. It's suitable for Christmas and suitable for youth. So maybe I want to say adoration, and I want for Christmas. And then it will show me all the hymns that contain the word love that are in the topic of worship and is suitable for Christmas. If I change this to isiXhosa, it won't change it because my publication is still English and my word is still love, but it will show me the isiXhosa topic and suitability indexes. So that is that. The Xhosa and Zulu and Sotho hymns have been loaded. So if I go here and I say, obviously that can't be love, I want all the topics. Okay, Xhosa is maybe not the right example, it's Sotho. And I want to say I want all the adoration, suitability for all. There we go. So I can see there, oh, their topics haven't been updated, that's why it's not working. But let's say for, I have added the, on the Portuguese, I have added the topics on the Portuguese hymnals. That is basically it. Oh, and the refresh button has now been moved to the hymn concordance page as well. So you don't have to go to the settings page to refresh the data. You can just refresh the data from there, and that would refresh the concordance data that has been used. And that is that. Thank you, and have a wonderful experience on the app.